Hello! I just noticed that my heucheras in my mother's garden put on quite a bit of new growth, and because now that we are swiftly moving into spring, I think it's time to get them ready, remove some of the old leaves, make them look a little bit nicer, and yeah, basically get them ready so they can put all the energy into the new growth, the new leaves and the new blooms. Yeah, let me show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I think this is probably a really good example. So you can see here all this new growth from the heuchera, beautiful purple. And then you can see like spent leaves. They're either tattered, they have holes in them, or they're fried, so to dry. And they just don't look as nice anymore. You can really see the difference between the new growth and the old growth. And yeah, I want the heuchera to put all the energy into this new growth, not into these spent blooms. So yeah, I'm going down the stem and I just cut it off, just like this. Pretty simple. And I just do this all around the plant. And it already looks so much nicer. So now you can clearly see the rhizomes. This is where the new growth is coming from. And with this small heuchera plant we have 3 rhizomes. 1, 2, and 3. And they make it really easy to divide heucheras as well, especially in spring. So now would actually also be a good time to divide them. I made another video on this recently. Yeah, I think it looks so much nicer, and I'm gonna do this now with all the other heucheras in my mother's garden. So here we have another variety of heucheras. We have beautiful green leaves with a tinge of red, and the underside of the leaf is like this pinkish red. Really beautiful plant. This is what they usually look like when they don't get a lot of sun. Then they are greener. The more sun they're exposed to, the more red the leaves become. And I have another example of this heuchera in a sunny spot in this garden, which I will show you, then you can see this difference. And I think it's quite striking. This is the heuchera that I meant. This is the same heuchera that we saw earlier, with the green leaves and the red underside of the leaf. But now, just because it's exposed to more sun, it really has a strikingly different tone. So it's more red, orangey red, and we still have these pink under leaves, and here they're even more striking. Yeah, what a difference sun can make. Yeah, I really enjoy this heuchera. And yeah, I will also remove the leaves here. Yeah, there aren't that many spent leaves. This looks pretty good already. Yeah, just some cosmetic cuts here and there. And that's pretty much it. So this was just a matter of 10 minutes. I have approximately 9-10 heucheras in my mother's garden, and now they're ready for spring. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon. Bye bye.